Be careful what you put in your body. It's critical to pay attention to what you eat, because any cleansing herb or medicine will be rendered ineffective if you are constantly consuming dead, toxic, or mucus-forming food. If your diet is toxic or deficient in nutrients, vitamins, minerals, herbs, enzymes, antioxidants, ginseng, lecithin, herbal teas, or magnetic therapy may help. Some herbal and medicinal treatments may become obsolete as a result of a healthier diet. A simple raw food diet may help meet nutritional requirements while detoxifying. Most people understand detoxification to be the process of eliminating alcohol or drugs from the body. However, detoxification can also refer to the removal of impurities from the body caused by environmental and dietary factors. Detoxification can be accomplished through diet, herbs, and other means. The body's own detoxification. Detoxification is a natural process that the body can perform as part of its normal functioning. However, environmental pollution and unhealthy lifestyles can disrupt our body's natural functions, necessitating the use of alternative detoxification methods. Natural detoxification. There are a few steps you can take that will allow you to start the detoxification process in a matter of days. The first step is to limit your consumption of foods containing chemical ingredients. Taking supplemental vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and antioxidants will then assist you in starting this process. Finally, eating fiber-rich foods and drinking plenty of water on a daily basis helps with detoxification. Natural detoxification is essentially comprised of these steps. More natural detoxification methods. Detoxification can be accomplished through hydrotherapy, exercise, and breathing techniques in addition to diet, herbs, and supplements. Improved vital energy, better skin, regular bowel movements, improved digestion, and more focused thinking are some of the reported benefits of a natural detoxification diet. Different diet plans can target detoxification of various body systems, including the skin, liver, kidneys, colon, lungs, and lymph system. How detoxification works. Herbs are frequently used in natural detoxification therapies. Detoxification herbs can be used to target specific organs for natural detoxification treatment, such as the kidneys, liver, or thyroid. Herbal remedies have been used effectively for medicinal purposes for thousands of years. Herbs for detoxification contain alkaloids or organic compounds that alter the body's metabolism without interfering with the body's natural system. Herbs have a therapeutic effect as a natural detoxification treatment because they can either adjust the body's healing mechanism or stimulate a cleansing reaction. Because herbs work in harmony with the body, they rarely cause side effects. Chemical medicines, on the other hand, disregard the body's natural balance and can leave deposits of toxic chemicals in the tissues for years, causing cell metabolism to deteriorate. Chemical medicines may have a negative impact on the body's overall system while stimulating healing in a specific area. This type of problem can be avoided with natural detoxification.